anyone ever say, what if it doesn't work? Have you heard yourself saying that, what if it doesn't work? In fact, my experience shows that most of the people, whenever they are trying to do something new, they always say, what if it doesn't work? And it is true. It is possible that it may or may not work. But the possibility of it not working is, or I should say, the possibility of it working is as high as it's not working. So instead of saying, what if it doesn't work, why don't we ask ourselves the question, what if it does work? Ask yourself one more question. Do you feel happy and excited if you think, what if it does work? Or do you feel interesting and excited if you say, what if it doesn't work? Whenever you say, if it doesn't work, what if it doesn't work, you get depressed. You are doubtful. And whenever you are doubtful, obviously you don't put in all the energy. And when you don't put in all the energy, obviously the possibility of it not working goes up. And then you say, see, I already thought that it may not work. But without your knowledge, you are the one who made it not work happen. Because if you had thought, what if it does work, obviously you would have put in lot more energy. And if you had put in lot more energy, obviously the chances are it would have worked. And you would have proved yourself right, what if it works, and it would have worked. So it is important to have a positive thought, especially whenever you are doing something new, especially when you are doing something for the first time, rather than thinking, what if it doesn't work? Of course, the choice is yours. My name is Yathiraj Agarwal, and my mission is to help 1 million business owners, startups, entrepreneurs, professionals, and salespeople to 3x their profit in 1 year. Now, before you say, what if it doesn't work, why don't you ask yourself, what if it does work? How would your life change if it, what are the dreams and goals you'll be able to achieve if you could 3x your profit in the next 12 months or even less than 12 months? Connect with us to find out how we can help you, and then you can decide whether you want to go ahead or not. It is really a pleasure to talk to you. Hope this is useful.
Contact us for more details.